What? What is going on? Like all these people say, you know, you are supposed to sub to me. You have to sub. Do I need to like show you? Like, my man wants to see my toes. I'm not going to show my toes. I apologize. We are not going to show off toes. That's not how this works around here. Toes for subs. I will not stoop to that level. Nebula Blaze. That's what's up, buddy. He subbed without needing to see my toes. Thank you very much for the sub. Appreciate it, man. Back. Okay. News topic. Drum roll. News time. We're going to be talking about the potential of having prices rise on PC hardware. This is kind of a topic that I did not want to talk about because, one, it makes me sad because it's probably going to happen, and two, I just figured if more people talk about it, people are going to freak out and then they're going to go and panic buy stuff. And I don't want that, because I want people to be able to still buy stuff. King of Beast, single to follow. I still want people to be able to buy stuff if they really need to build a PC. So because of that, we're just going to talk about this kind of lightly. If you guys are planning to build a PC, I'll be totally honest with you guys. You need to go build a PC ASAP Rocky right now. If you have the money, guys, you need to build a PC. Stuff is only going to get more expensive. It's only going to get more expensive. Things are going on in life right now. The human malware, you know, things happen. You need to go and just buy your parts. I would give you maybe a month or so before stuff starts getting expensive. It's just shipment delays. Things are going to happen. Classy, thank you for the follow, man. I appreciate it. I think prices for some things, a limited storage rise, but other stuff will be sufficient stock at some point and won't jump in price. Yeah, but I agree with you. I do agree that prices are probably going to stay okay for certain things, but if this goes multiple months, then we could be seeing multiple months in the future us having a lot of issues selling and being able to get hardware that we need. So processors are still at a great price. So we have a 3200G, $94. Would not buy that, but we'll go on from there. 3600, $174. Great processor. This stuff is still in stock. Right now would be the best time to buy if you haven't done so already, because the prices are absolutely insane. 1600 AF. I think it's in stock. Get it? Okay, it's kind of delayed, but you can still buy them. They will be here, but you can still buy them for $85. As I was saying, if you're looking to buy a Ryzen processor, right now would most definitely be the best time to do it. Now let's look at motherboards. So let's say you need the motherboard for the build. So let's do a B450 motherboard, because I mean, I wouldn't really go A320 if you know, help it. $72 is not bad. $104 for a really solid B450 Max. It could handle all the way up to like a 3700X if you want to. That's a good price. Motherboards are not bad. This right here, the B450 Tomahawk, not bad. Prices are still pretty solid. This is actually a good price for the Aurorus Elite, 109. I would pay 109 for this board. It looks like it has a beefy VRM cooling, looks nice. This could be a good board if you're looking to build a PC. So prices are looking really good. Let's look at RAM. So let's say you have if you're doing a build like this, so let's say like 3600 B450 and motherboard, whatever, you're probably gonna go 16 gigs of DDR4 at like 3200 megahertz, give or take. So I mean, we're looking at $83. That is definitely an increase. That is most definitely an increase from what it used to be. You could get it for around 70, give or take, but $83 is still not bad. Still not bad. If you all were around trying to build a PC, Devastator, thank you so much for the sub, man. I appreciate it. If you guys were around trying to build a PC back in the days when RAM prices were really expensive, as in 16 gigs of RAM was like $120, you can definitely take this. You can definitely afford this. This is perfectly fine. And Jay Dorsey, what you just said in the chat is very important as well. Amazon, if you are buying on Amazon, stuff is super delayed in shipping. So they are prioritizing things for essential items, which makes sense, I understand. But if you are building a PC, you're gonna have to wait longer. Just understand that is what's gonna happen if you try to buy stuff right now. But prices right now are still good. This is the chance for you to go out and still build a PC at their decent prices. I've noticed SSDs are kind of expensive, especially on the lower end. So we're looking at like $37 for a 240 gig SSD. That's gone up, definitely. They used to be below $30. Kind of a meh deal, you know, but I mean, that's still okay. Power supplies, so look up a power supply. No, power supplies are a little bit more expensive too. A $50 450 watt power supply, That is a horrible deal. This has gone up definitely. This power supply used to be $42, so it's only up by like $6 or $7. Not a huge deal, but it's definitely up. And this is one of our #1 power supplies that we go for. You know, give or take, man. I don't know. Prices are definitely more expensive, but like, I don't know. I think if you want my honest opinion, it's probably going to get a little bit worse. Is it going to be a case like the GPU mining craze? We can't buy a graphics card? Probably not. Fingers crossed. But if you are looking to buy a PC and you have the money right now, I highly, 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 highly suggest you go ahead and do it now and get your PC, because it could be a while before we see good prices again. And we're probably going to see delays on new releases of products anyways, unless companies just feel like now is the time to release them. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes.